Hi, Judy from Witchpeace Craft. Yes, well, today's video is the prize winners of my Make-Along Secondhand September AU, which is now closed. It's the 2nd of October. I let it run a couple of days over for the people in the Northern Hemisphere to get their late entries in. But we're doing the draw today. So thank you to those people who took part. Last year I did a make-along for a tea cozy make-along and got 5 entries. This year, my secondhand September AU, I got 10 entries. I doubled my numbers. Isn't that awesome? What could you ask for more? Anyway, it was really great seeing how creative people got and what they came up with, repurposing items and making something old new again. A video. I've got hiccups. So who entered? Well, no particular order, and I'm not going to use a random number picker because when there's only 10, no matter how you set it up, it tends to pick them out in sequence, which isn't really fair. So what I have done is I've put people's names on a paper and I am going to take them, put them in my big teacup. This is what I have when I'm really thirsty, and draw them out of there. No, it's not a teacup, it's a planter. It has a matching saucer. It sits on the freezer near my back door, and I took the plant out last week to get some sunshine, and I've noticed it's become full of junk within a week. So I've claimed it back. We'll do our draw out of this, and the plant's going back in it. Anyway, who entered? First of all, in no particular order, was Christine Bull. Christine bought a bucket from a charity shop, drilled holes in it, and planted some succulents. Christine did 3 projects. She also took a colander, which is a food sieve, repurposed it. She repotted a plant in it. I thought this was an awesome idea because I have an old colander in my kitchen that I don't use. I think I acquired it from my son when he moved to London. She also bought some yarn from a charity shop, and from the looks of that yarn, I think Christine is Australian, and she made 2 beanies. I do remember one of the patterns was a bag a day pattern. So Christine, you're going in my teacup for the draw. Next was Sheri from Sheri's Bag of Holding. Sheri has a small YouTube channel, or a channel she's trying to grow. So please, all the YouTubers that have channels that join the make-along, I'm going to put links to their channels in the description below. Check them out and subscribe. She made some beanies from secondhand yarn, which I think she donates to charity. You'll love her channel because she just got herself a new puppy, Gizmo, who's the cutest little thing you have ever seen. Then there's Sheri lives in Miami, Florida. Pruden from Canada. Karen entered my tea cozy make-along last year. She made a tea cozy in the memory of her mum. If you haven't joined my make-along Facebook group, you're crazy. You should join it and check out the lovely story that goes with it. It really touched my heart. Karen has a YouTube channel, Karen Pruden, Let's Stitch and Make Up. She blew me away with the idea she had this year. I would never have thought of it. She made a pet bed out of old pajamas. You've got to see the photos. Guys, there'll be a photo montage at the end, so stick to the end and check out all the photos of the great ideas everyone had. Now, I'm going to have trouble pronouncing the surname and the name, Demetra. Demetra made 3 face masks from a pair of old shorts and tights. Very apt for 2020. 3-layer protection in 2020. Such an awesome idea, and thank you for entering, Demetra. Now, my loyal subscriber and what I call a valued yarny friend, Janet Lepre. Janet subscribed to my channel. I don't even think I had 10 subscribers when she subscribed. She lives in New York. She has a daughter in Brisbane, and if she ever comes to Brisbane, I'm going down there to say hello, introduce myself, and give her a hug. Janet reclaimed an old Afghan that she hadn't finished because she didn't like the colorways it was making up, frogged it and made a short scarf or shawl in the colors she wanted. It was Stylecraft DK, a yarn I haven't tried. I would love to try. Can't wait for Wool Warehouse in the UK to start shipping internationally, because I know I can get it from them. She goes in the drawer. Karen Ford. Karen bought Op Shop yarn and she made a fluffy baby blanket that is absolutely gorgeous. Well done, Karen, and thank you for entering. Now, another long time person I have known, Hope Mahoney at Hopeful Crafts. She has a channel, please check her out. I met Hope nearly 2 years ago in Heidi's Hangout, a channel playing Yarny Feud. It's now called Kitty Mum and Heidi the Cat, and I do believe Penny started playing Yarny Feud again. Hope, might have to catch you in there. Hope made a corner-to-corner blanket with a matching beanie, and she also made a 7-point lovey from yarn she bought in the marketplace, second-hand yarn from a lady. It is beautiful. Then, yay, this year I had a mail entry. Gary from Urban Yarns, a fellow Aussie living in Canada. He made a beanie out of charity shop yarn he bought from a local charity shop. He learned a lot about the charity they support, which was really great. The colorways in this beanie are awesome. He used a bag a day tutorial, the chocolate bonbon beanie. So guys, if you're looking for tutorials for beanies, it looks like Crystal at Bag a Day is the go-to person. I keep saying I'm going to make that beanie. And then there is, I don't know if it's Katrina or Katrine. Now, she's in my Ravelry group. I forgot to print her out. She's from Sheffield in the UK. She bought a blanket from eBay, a crochet blanket, huge, and she's frogging it to make lap gowns. This touches my heart because Sheffield was where my dad was born, and I was born down the road in Rotherham. I did have a cousin that's still alive in Sheffield, but he passed away this July from COVID. So yes, Katrine, you're in the draw. And last but not least is Ashley Reese. Ashley she took 2 straw orange mats and a canvas belt and made a jack-o'-lantern Halloween themed bag. It looks amazing. I would have liked those mats for my home. My favourite colour is orange. Ashley, thank you for entering, and you're in the draw. So that is the 10 people who are going in the lucky draw to come out for 3 prizes. Now, my email address will be in the description below. The winners will need to contact me when they are drawn and let me know what sort of gift voucher they would like or what we can do with the $30 that they will win each. So it's a $30 prize each. So I'm actually not going to do the draw. I'm going to get some help. So here we go. Thing, can you come and help us do the draw, please? No, I'm sorry. Thing is very old and takes his time. Oh, here he comes. I wasn't even sure he heard me. He is going to do the draw for us. So it's all on the up and up. Everybody is in there. No one has fallen out. I'm going to shake it up, stir it up. Here, Thing, can you wave at the camera, please? Let everyone know it's you. There's my 2. So I need you to take, one at a time, 3 names out of there, dig deep, and we'll pick the prize winners. First one out is Sheri from Sheri's Bag of Holding. Our first name out. Dig deep again. Very old Thing. His knuckles are very gnarled and twisted. Second one out is Karen Ford. Congratulations, Karen. Please dig really deep. We need a 3rd one. And the 3rd one out is Christine Bull. There you go. Congratulations, guys. Wave goodbye, Thing. You can go back to your room. You can come out tomorrow and help me with the garden. See you later. So guys, we'll just go through that again. First one out was Sheri from Sheri's Bag of Holding, Miami, Florida. I'm not sure where Karen Ford's from. And Christine Bull, which I'm fairly certain she might be Australian. So guys, email me, let me know whether you'd like a $30 gift voucher from Amazon, whoever. Let's see what we can work out and do, whether you want to buy some patterns on Etsy. But guys, thank you all for entering. I wish I could give everyone a prize, but my budget doesn't allow that. And yeah, it was a lot of fun finding out how you could repurpose things, just, you know, reducing our carbon footprint, but being less of a disposable society. And, you know, something breaks, throw it away, get something new. I made a joke with my son. He split some shorts yesterday, and I said, get a needle and thread and fix them up. Unfortunately, the split was like that. I said to him, I can patch it with some hot pink material. I don't think he was impressed. But yeah, it's good not to keep throwing things away just because they're broken. You might be able to fix them or reuse them. But don't become a hoarder. That's even worse. So that is September over with. And it is the 2nd of October. I think I've already said that. And I am going to be doing Pink October. In my old job, I used to do big fundraisers in October for Pink October, Breast Cancer Awareness Month. It started when, you're not going to believe this, my female bar attendant's husband got breast cancer. Yes, men can get breast cancer. We used to do a big ladies' day because it's easier to get the ladies there during the day. We'd play lawn bowls, you'd dress in pink, there'd be pink prizes. We'd have a giant raffle, so everybody went home with a pink prize, pink champagne, high tea, mainly all pink. But we used to raise quite a bit of money every year. So during October, I'm going to be doing Pink October and fundraising. I had an email today from the local community market asking me to have a stall. Yeah, my knee's still really sore, but my family and thing are going to help me. And I'm going to, whatever money I make at the charity stall next weekend is going to go to Pink October. So please check out my next video. I'll explain all about who the charity is I'm fundraising for. And yes, I've already started with my first pink item. And yes, this is a Bag O' Day square tutorial. It's a very old tutorial. I will leave a link or the number to it down below. I made the 2 squares. And I hope Crystal doesn't mind. I turn them into a tea cozy, of course. My Pink October tea cozy. The charity I'm fundraising for, this is the pink they use, the hot pink. So I hope you think about breast cancer awareness during October. Please hashtag it Pink October AU so I can check out what you make in pink. At least make one item in pink and raise the awareness of breast cancer, even for men. It's been a lot of fun. Join my Facebook make-along group and post your pink items there. And of all the things we make in a month, at least one of them could be pink. Stay tuned for my Pink October video next in a few days. Let's give it a break. I need to rest the leg. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all those who took part in my make-along. I know my make-alongs are a little weird, but they are fun and you do learn things along the way. Take care of each other, stay well, and until next time, make sure you have one pink crafty day. Bye for now.